Welcome back to Those Kids City. Today we're going to learn some basic Welsh words. If you don't know what basic means, it's mainly easy. Easy ones to say, okay? First one we're going to say is hello in Welsh, okay? Hello. Let's do it together now. 1, 2, 3. Hello. Now let's do it in Welsh. 1, 2, 3. Hello. And if you can't do it, this is an easy way to learn it. Because I go to a Welsh school. When I was in the second class, perception, I learned it this way. O. Hello. Okay? Let's try it. 1, 2, 3. O. Hello. Good. If you struggled on that, wind it back. Okay? So then, let's do the next one. This is good morning. Bore da. Okay? Bore da. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Good morning. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Bore da. Let's do it this way. B-O-R-E-D-A. Bore da. Okay? If you struggled on that, we rhymed it. Okay? Next we've got good night. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Good night. Okay? No star it is in Welsh. Okay? 1, 2, 3. No star. Okay? The top. Okay? N-O to s. No, not like that. Okay? N-O s da a. No star. Okay? If you struggled on that, you know what to do. We rhymed it. Now then, good afternoon next. Prynhawn da. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Good afternoon. 1, 2, 3. Prynhawn da. Okay? Okay then. P-R-E-N-H-A-U-N-D-A. Prynhawn da. Okay? That was a hard one, so if you want to do it again with me, try to, you know what to do. Try to rewind it. Next one we've got diolch. Okay? That's thank you. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. 1, 2, 3. Diolch. Come on, tip tap. D-E-O-O-K-H. K-H makes. Okay, try again and do it. Don't say K-H. I'll just make it easier, okay? Try again. If you want to do K-H, it's fine, okay? Just after that, say diolch, okay? Let's do it a little bit hard, okay? Okay then? D-E-O-O-K-H. Okay? Diolch. Okay? Last one, because we're doing mine, okay? 1, 2, 3. Bye. 1, 2, 3. Hwyl fawr. Tip tap. Okay? Tip tap. H-U-E-O-V-A-W-R. Fawr. Hwyl fawr. Okay then? Bye. Hwyl fawr. Gobeithio ti'n rhoi bus ymlaen. Hope you put a thumb up. Gobeithio ti'n rhoi subscribe. Hope you put a subscribe. Ac gobeithio ti'n hoffi'r fideo yma. Hope you like this video. Okay? Hwyl fawr. Bye. Hwyl fawr. Ni yn dysgu gyda Cymraeg. We're learning with Welsh. Goodbye.